Hi, my name is Akankshya Upadhyay and I am your English instructor. In today's class, we will be solving the exercise portion of Unit 7, which is giving instruction and describing a purpose. So let's begin.
So let's begin our chapter by reading the text about email and then creating an email ID. First, we will go through email. So here it goes. Electronic mail is most commonly referred to as email or e-mail. Email generally refers to a method of exchanging digital messages from a sender to one or more recipients. It is distributed by electronic means from one computer user to one or more recipients via a network. It is claimed that people started sending and receiving email from 1993. However, it has recently been popular in our country. Today's email systems are based on a store and forward model. Email serves accepts, forward, deliver, and store messages. Neither the user nor the computer are required to be online simultaneously. They need to connect to a server for as long as it takes to send or receive messages. Thus, an email is an information and communication technology. In this technology, users use email differently based on how they think about it. There are many software platforms available to send and receive messages. Popular email platforms include Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, Mail, Outlook, and many others. So now we will go through creating an email. Let us learn about creating a new email ID or email address using Gmail. You have to follow the following instructions. First, open a web browser, Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Mozilla, etc. Write in the address bar www.gmail.com. Now click on Create an Account. After clicking on Create an Account button, you will get a window image below with Create your Google account. Fill in all the details. Here, the username is the desired user ID which you want to create. After filling in all the details, click on Next Step button. After Next Step, it will ask for phone number for verification. Enter your cell phone number and click on Continue button. Now your ID is almost created. There is an option for uploading your image. Upload your image. Finally, click on Next Step button and you will get your inbox on the screen. Congratulations, you have created your new Gmail ID. Use it to exchange messages, documents, images, etc. Now, let's begin with the exercise portion. First, we have enrich your vocabulary. We have few words. We need to put them in order as they occur in dictionary, give their phonetic transcriptions, and the meanings. So here are the words. So these are the words and we need to put them in correct order as they occur in dictionary, write their phonetic transcriptions and their meanings. So in a dictionary, words are arranged in alphabetical order. So the word starting with A comes before the word starting with B. And similarly, the word starting with B comes before the word starting with C. So apple comes before basket and the word basket comes before the word custom, right? So we have A, B, and then C. So this is in alphabetical order. Now what if we have two words, apple and aspire? So both start with an A. Now in this case, we need to see the second letter, the second alphabet. So that's P in case of apple and S in case of aspire. So in an alphabetical order, P comes before S, right? So here we have apple before the word aspire. Similarly, we have the words digital, recipient, distribute, means, simultaneously, platform, email, image, ID, desire, verification, upload, and inbox. Now we know that words starting with D must come first in the order of dictionary, and we need to see the second alphabet, that's I in case of digital, I in case of distribute, and E in case of desire. So we know that desire comes first in dictionary among these words. Second, we will see if G comes before S. So yes, G comes before S. So digital comes next and then distribute. And similarly, we will classify other words. So let's begin. First, we have the word desire. So this is the way we pronounce desire. And its meaning is, next comes the word digital. The phonetic transcription for digital is digital. And the meaning is, so digital is expressed as series of zeros and ones. Next in the dictionary we have distribute. And similarly we go writing for other words. So the first word is desire, and it means a strong feeling of wanting to have something. Similarly, after desire comes digital. Digital is expressed as series of 0 and 1. Next is distribute, which means give shares of something. Email comes next, and it means messages distributed by electronic means from one computer to more recipients via a network. After email comes ID, so ID means identification, identity. Then comes image. Image is a representation of external form of a person or thing in art. So notice that all these words are in alphabetical order. So DE comes before DI and DIG comes before DIS. So after DIS comes E. So after D comes E, so email, and after E comes I. So I. So after E, there are no words starting from F, G or H. Directly we have ID. So ID is the next after email in this case. And ID comes before IM. And similarly, IM comes before IN. So inbox comes after image, which means an electronic folder in which received emails are held. After inbox comes means. So we don't have any words starting from J, K, L. We directly have words starting from M. So means comes after inbox, which means an action or system by which a result is brought about. Then comes platform. So platform is a surface on which people or things can stand. And then we have recipient. So a recipient is a person or thing that receives something. Then comes simultaneously, which means at a single time. Upload comes after simultaneously, and then comes verification. So upload means to transfer data from one to another using a network, and verification means the process of establishing the truth. So here we are done with this exercise. Next we have to read the sentences and mark them in order. So here are 8 sentences and we need to mark them in correct order to create an account in Gmail. So here we begin. First we go thoroughly to all the steps. Click on create an account button. So this should come towards the beginning of the order. Open web browser and write www.gmail.com. This must be our first step. Fill in all the details. So this must be in between somewhere. After filling the details, click on next button. So this must come after this. So this sentence must come after the third one. Your ID is almost created. There is an option to upload image. So this should come towards the end. Now you will get a window to fill up details. So this is probably the continuation to click on create an account. After next step, it will ask your phone number for verification. Enter your cell phone number and click on next step button to get your inbox. This must be towards the end as well, and then click on next. Now we can see the first step is open your web browser and write www.gmail.com. So this must be our first step. Next, we have to click on create an account. So this is our second step. So after creating an account, you will get a window to fill up details, right? So this is the third step. To the window, we fill in all the details. So this is the fourth step. After filling the details, we click on the next button. So this becomes our fifth step. So now After next step, it will ask for your phone number for verification. Enter your cell phone number and click on next step button to your inbox. So this must be our 6th step. So after next step button to your inbox, now there your ID is almost created, and then it asks us to upload our image. So this is the 7th step, and click on next is the 8th step. So here we're done with creating an account in Gmail. Now the final exercise is to read and answer. The first question is, what is email? The answer is, email is a method of exchanging digital messages from a sender to one or more recipients. The second question is, when did people start using email? And the answer is, people started using email from 1993. The third question is, write down the role of email in communication. And the answer is, email plays a vital role in communication as it helps in sending and receiving information. It serves accept, forward, deliver, and store messages. The next question is, list all the platforms mentioned in the text. And the answer is, the platforms mentioned in the text are Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, Mail, and Outlook. And the final question is, what is needed to send and receive email? And the answer is, to send and receive email, users and computers need to connect to a server for as long as it takes to send or receive messages. So this is all for today's class. And the homework question for you is to answer the following. The first question is, what is the text about? And the second question is, what does email stand for? And here we come to the end of this class. If you have any questions, any suggestions, or anything that you wish to share with us, please feel free to write to us at learning@deerwalk.edu.np. Thanks for watching.